So friend, the excitement around Apple's next generation iPhone is building up, with the iPhone 17 series expected to be unveiled globally in September. As always, Apple fans are eagerly anticipating the latest updates, and the upcoming Pro models are generating a lot of buzz. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to bring some major upgrades, from a completely revamped design to enhanced camera capabilities. Let's take a closer look at what we can expect from the iPhone 17 Pro in terms of design, features, performance, and more. The iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to undergo a complete design refresh. The rear panel could see a major change with a new camera module. The iPhone is expected to keep the triple camera setup. Additionally, Apple might switch to an aluminum frame, and the Apple iPhone 17 Pro is expected to feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the phone will likely be powered by Apple's A19 Pro chip. When it comes to the camera, Apple is expected to equip the iPhone 17 Pro with a 48-megapixel main camera along with a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, offering 5x optical zoom and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. For selfies and video calls, there could be a 24-megapixel front-facing camera. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.